So, I also have a question to my honorable opponents that how personality can be improved in an extended family where none gets independence to finish their tasks. And if I say about some disadvantages of extended family, it's bad parenting style. I'm Tashpyalam, now in the fifth speaker from Group B. At the beginning of my today's speech, I would like to thank my honorable judges and hosts to give me this golden opportunity. Secondly, I would like to thank to all of my group mates and my opponents' team members who are present here and hearing me very carefully. Today, I have come here to say about nuclear family versus extended family. So, without any delay, let's get started our today's topic. So, at the beginning of my speech, I would like to refute some logics of my honorable opponents. My honorable opponents has said about responsibility. To you, responsibility can be gossiped with your grandparents and other members, but to us, it is sharing our feelings and helping everyone in their works and sharing our emotions and everything with others. Moreover, you have said about drug that we are drug addicted. Maybe if, for your kind information, I'm saying that most almost 83% family of Bangladesh is belong to a nuclear family. So you have said we are drug addicted. Maybe you are the supplier of these drugs. Moreover, you have said about our grandparents. For your kind information, I'm again added that if a family consists with six members, it is counted as a nuclear family. And if there is more than six members, it will be an extended family. So with grandparents, the family members can be five or six. So it is a nuclear family. And also in a nuclear family, grandparents are treated well compared to an extended family. In a nuclear family, we can easily help our grandparents, and we can think that they don't have anyone without us, so we should help them in their works. But on the other hand, if we think in an extended family, everyone thinks that there are many persons. Why will we have to help them? So they are not helping their grandparents. So now I'm going to my main speech. A nuclear family helps us to take personalized education. You all know that education is the backbone of a nation, which can be taken in an extended nuclear family properly. In a nuclear family, there are fewer members, so the parents can easily understand the children's emotions and feelings, and as well as they can easily understand about the progress and weakness of their children, and by that way they can take initiative steps. Also, because of not having much crowd, the children can easily focus on their study, and they can learn everything in a good environment with better resources, which is not possible in an extended family. For example, you have a class test tomorrow, and you have set for your study with full concentration, but at the time your uncle come and turn on the TV, and from the kitchen you are hearing the quarrel that is happening between your aunt and your mother. Also, your grandmother and grandparents are calling someone so loudly, so it makes you depressed and you can't focus on your study. And at last, you can see that you haven't read anything. Moreover, less comparison happens in a nuclear family because of having fewer members. Parents can't compare their children with anyone, and instead of comparing them with anyone, they can admit them in many other institutions to improve their knowledge and to improve their quality. Moreover, in an in an in an ex- in an extended family, because of having a lot of members, the children feels fair. If children feels fair, also they are compared with each other. Moreover, when they got any bad figure in exam, they may feel hurt and they think that now they will be scolded by others. At that time they can feel nervous and they will feel depressed for the next exam. Now I have a question to my honorable opponents, that does it living in extended family make it harder to focus on your own progress? I hope you will answer it. Moreover, nuclear family allows us to develop a personal responsibility. In a nuclear family, all rules and responsibility are divided from a very early age, and the children don't have much members with whom they can share their tasks. So from a very early age, they become conscious about their works, and it makes them responsible in their works. On the other hand, if we see about the responsibility of an extended family, it's like the proverb of Bangladesh, that is Shasta Tinabasta. We can easily understand it when we see the responsibility of a child who belongs to an extended family. They say that why I will have to do it, why they can't do it, it's not for me. Likewise, they always quarrel with each other. So, I also have a question to my honorable opponents, that how personality can be improved in an extended family where none gets independence to finish their tasks. And if I say about some disadvantages of extended family, it's bad parenting style. Honorable judges, in the last day when we are practicing, one of my friend's younger brother was crying a lot to stay here, though it was high time to leave this place. So that means it was the bad parenting style, which wasn't it was the bad parenting style. And for your kind information, he belongs to an extended family. That means in an extended family, parents can teach their children anything properly, because if they say anything, the grandparents or the elder members say that, don't scold her, it's if she doesn't do it at now, when she will make fun. But it's totally a wrong way. Also, in an extended family, uh, parent, parenting is like a very hard task, where if parents can complete their parenting with properly, they can be got a Nobel Prize. Because in an extended family there are a lot of members. For example, when in an extended family, the parents try to feed their children anything, everyone says that no, it's not needed now, she or he can take now cakes or other things. And on the other hand, the other members said that no, she will have to take it, and so many things. It emphasizes on the baby and it creates problem. And but at the last time of feeding, the parents can see that children haven't eaten any good thing, and they have eaten just unhealthy things, so it may create problem on their health. So at the last moment of my today's speech, I want to leave a question for my honorable opponents, that how does a structured learning environment, good, a proper environment of doing something, can be created in an extended family? Hope you will answer of my question if you are brave. And at the last of my today's topic, I would like to say you that we are not saying that nuclear family is good, we are saying that nuclear family is best. Thank you everyone for having your patience. Assalamu alaikum.